Page 15, jazz, goes the weasel. Usually if pop goes the weasel. That's jazzed up a bit. One sharp in the key of G major in the jazz style. 4/4 time, let's take the right hand first. Let's just make sure we got the notes and the fingering and all this. So it's here. Now there, I have problems with that. Ideally, I would finger this, that second measure is here, 4/2. I just changed from this position to this position. Was all I did. That way I'm not moving around. It's not as showy, and this is a bit of a showy piece. So if you want to be showy, use the fingering in the butt. Otherwise, I'm suggesting you change the 8th note fingering in the second measure to the last 2 8th notes is a 4/2. And then you're ready. And then they're saying 4 and then a 2. Or if you're staying here, you can use 2 on both. It's up to you. Now the last measure is not quite so easy because you're ending on thumb anyway, you have to come down. It's your choice. Maybe you want to do this the same every time. I'll let you pick a fingering, whatever fingering you use, stick with it. Now let's go to the second line. The second measure, you can go ahead and stay here. Now they're saying here, I suggest a 2/5. You just ended here. Just reach up with the little finger and 2/5, and then you can come down here. I'm not moving my hand very much. The fingering style I use for playing piano is I don't move my hands anymore, and I have to. And so I accommodate that with these other fingerings. So in the third measure, I recommend a 2/5. And then their fingering is fine. The third line, you're up here. The third finger on the F sharp, and then second finger, moving around a little bit. It's 3, it's 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. And then the last line, third finger again. And then I'm back to 2/5. You want to do 1/5, it's up to you. I prefer 2/5. It's the same fingering as we used in the second line, third measure. And then the last chord is a D, an E, and a G. Sort of like that. Left hand, you got these chords, an E flat, C, that's tied, and then a G, B. Their fingering is fine. I can offer others, I won't. That's fine. And then come down. You have rest between each of these. It's second line. You start with a G and B, and then F sharp, third finger, and then I recommend 4/1 here. So you can use 5/1 on the D. You can use 5 on both. Nothing wrong with it. I prefer to just leave my hand in this position. And then come down for the third line. Remember the F sharp? Now if that doesn't work for you, your hand's big or whatever, then you have to do this. Just cross over. The thumb, use the thumb as a pivot and cross over. Here. But if you can, use the fingering in the book. Then in the last line, the last few measures, you have that E flat C again. I recommend 4/1. And then the bottom, the last measure is a G, D. Put the hands together. That sounds lovely. Rhythm. Watch this rhythm carefully. 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. It comes on the end of 3. 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it comes on the end. It's anticipating. You think it's going to be on the beat, but it comes right before it. Then second line, let's go over to the third measure. We're up here, 1 and this, believe it or not, is what they wrote, because you got an E flat in the left hand and an E natural in the right hand. It just, I need more coffee here. It's just 1 and 2 and it comes on the and of 2. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the trickiest part with the rhythm, are these things. And once you can do that, we go back and we add in the articulation. Not a lot going on in articulation. It says non-legato, which means you kind of bounce along. I'll come back to that. We'll do the non-legato a little later, because that's more of a feel thing, and I don't get into the feeling thing until I've covered a few more other things. So here at the beginning, we just want a nice steady pulse, a nice steady beat. We got the fingering down. Let's go ahead and add the dynamics. Moderately soft, that's the melody, which is in the right hand. Keep the left hand soft here. And that's SFZ, sforzando. That is a rather strong accent. You just lay on it. That, again. Just boom, you went from moderately soft to this boom. Try and make it musical boom if you can. And then back to moderately soft, because that sforzando is just it's like an accent. It just applies to that point at that note. You don't keep doing it. It's soft, moderately soft. Each time you do that must be the pop, I guess. Now it's loud and staccato and an accent. I don't know that you need an accent with a loud, because that makes it very loud. It's almost like that sforzando. Just I use the wrist and come off quick, short staccato. And that's still an accent. Both hands are accented, but I want to hear the right hand. And that's a staccato and an accent. So the second line is this way. And then come down. Third line, you're back down to moderately soft. Well, you came down at the end of the second line. And then you're here. This is all staccato. Now, that's staccato, that's not. Again, second line. And you come up to moderately soft, moderately loud. And again, that's the last measure, third line, left hand staccato, right hand's not. But it's accented in the right hand. And then down moderately soft. And then the last few measures at the bottom, you're back to loud. And it's staccato with an accent. I don't know about the accent. And hold the left hand down as you play that staccato in the right hand. And come down, and then at the end is a very soft chord. You don't bring out anything in the chord, you play it all the same. Something like that. Then we go back and we make it jazzy, which means we swing the eighth notes. Well, there's a note to do it on straight eighths. Well, that's good, because otherwise, according to the title, jazz, I would automatically swing the eighth notes, because that's what you do in jazz. Swing, jazz, and blues, you just swing the eighth notes. If they want straight eighth notes, they have to give you a note. They did. They gave us a note, straight eighths. Because if I swing the eighth notes, it's this way. That would be jazzy style, sort of. But now we're going to do them straight eighth notes, which is the way we've been doing them. But I'm not connecting any of this. I'm separating it. That's where the non-legato comes in. Otherwise, I'd be connecting. So I'm separating it. Now, Some of them are slurred, those you connect. But otherwise, if there's no slur, separate them slightly. Not a short staccato, just separate them. Unless the note is a true staccato, like in the second line, third measure, those are staccatos. Those are short. Like so. And that's the idea. Now, tempo-wise, it's about a march speed. What, left, right. About in it's a range. You can go a little faster than that if you want, but be accurate however fast you go. So. Something like that. Have fun with it. You got to get to know it well enough that you're not thinking about notes and rhythms and all that, and you're just getting into the music. The pop goes the weasel thing, whatever it is. Now there is a mistake in the music I want to point out in case you're confused or not sure, and that is at the last line on page 15. It is the third measure over. In the left hand, they've only got 3 beats in that measure, and they have to have 4. Well, if you look at the second line, third measure over, it's the same thing. It's the same notes, same rhythm. So I suggest you simply take a pencil and write in a quarter rest at the end of that measure at the bottom in the left hand. So you rest in the left hand. So that C staccato is by itself. Just draw in a quarter rest. It's that squiggly thingy, the diving bird thing. You know, I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do dynamics, just notes and rhythms. And let's just go over it and make sure we have that. I will do the accents and the staccatos though. One hand at a time if you have to until you get this. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 off.